Hi, I'm Andy Schertz, Product Manager here at Epson to talk about ColorWorks printers. Product labeling is a crucial element for establishing a desired perceived value and elevating product appeal. Although the traditional method of purchasing pre-printed labels in bulk may work for high-volume, commodity-type products, this approach can be quite challenging and costly for manufacturers with lots of SKUs and/or those who produce smaller batches of boutique products. With Epson ColorWorks, you'll be equipped to print your own high-resolution, full-color labels in-house when and where you need them, and avoid the high minimum order quantities and lead times associated with procuring pre-printed labels. In addition, you'll be able to quickly adapt to product certification and/or market-driven changes without causing substantial label waste. In-house label printing can accelerate time to market while virtually eliminating label inventory requirements. Label designs can be easily tweaked over time to maximize perceived value and appeal. Epson ColorWorks printers are capable of producing stunning and durable print quality across a wide range of media types. Help maximize flexibility and minimize cost with Epson ColorWorks. For more information, please visit Epson.com/ColorWorks.